Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to record yourself on Microsoft Teams. Whether you need to produce content for a presentation, a meeting summary, or just want to send a quick personalized message, Microsoft Teams has made it very simple to capture your own video. Let's go through the specific steps you need to follow to record your clip successfully. To begin, navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Once the page loads, find the Sign In button and log in using your account credentials. This is your entry point not just for recording videos, but for accessing many other collaboration tools. If you are having trouble finding the sign-in option, it is usually positioned in the top right-hand corner of the screen. After you have signed in, your next step is to go to the chat section. The chat area is where most interaction happens, allowing for both private and group conversations. From your list, select the specific chat where you want the video to be shared. It is important to choose the correct conversation, whether it is a private chat with a colleague or a group discussion for a specific project. Once inside the chosen chat, look for the plus icon, which is generally located at the bottom of the window near where you type your messages. Clicking this icon will open a variety of extra options. Among these, select the Record Video Clip feature. This option indicates you are ready to start your video message, which is great for adding a personal touch or explaining something visually. To start the recording, just click the button in the middle. If you have used a smartphone camera, this will feel very familiar. It is typically a red button in the center of the interface. Clicking this will immediately start capturing your video. Make sure to prepare your content in advance to ensure everything goes smoothly. Now you are all set to record within Microsoft Teams. Before we finish, here are some extra tips for a better experience. First, stay in a well-lit room so your video remains clear and easy to watch. Second, test your microphone to ensure your audience can hear you without any issues. Finally, check your surroundings, as a cluttered background can be distracting and take away from your message. Using this feature will certainly improve how you communicate dynamically with your team. Whether for professional or personal use, this tool will elevate your communication game. Thank you for following this tutorial, and happy recording.